In this video, we answer the next big question. How does a firm decide how much to produce? Before we start, let's clarify three revenue terms. Total revenue is the firm's total income from sales. It is price times quantity. Average revenue is revenue per unit, so it is simply the price per unit. Marginal revenue is the extra revenue a firm earns from selling one more product. Now here is the key idea. Firms make decisions using marginal thinking. Producing one more unit has two effects. It creates extra revenue, which is marginal revenue. It creates extra cost, which is marginal cost. So the firm compares marginal revenue with marginal cost. If marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost, the next unit adds more to revenue than it adds to cost. Profit increases, so the firm should produce more. If marginal revenue is less than marginal cost, the next unit adds more to cost than it adds to revenue. Profit falls, so the firm should produce less. That is why the profit maximizing output is where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Next, let's connect this to break-even and profit. You already know break-even happens when the price equals average total cost. At that point, total revenue equals total cost. But in IB economics, we care about economic profit, not just accounting profit. That means we must calculate the break-even point with economic cost, which includes both explicit costs and implicit costs. Explicit costs are payments the firm actually makes, like wages, rent, and materials. Implicit costs are opportunity costs, like the income the owner gives up by using their time and resources in this business. Normal profit is the minimum profit needed to keep the firm in the industry in the long run. So when a firm earns normal profit, it is earning just enough to cover its economic cost. And importantly, even if a firm earns only normal profit, it is still earning profit in an accounting sense. It simply means the firm is not earning more than its next best alternative. Here is a simple example. Suppose the business owner could earn $500,000 a year working elsewhere, for example, as an accountant. That $500,000 is an implicit cost of running the business. So if the business earns enough to cover all explicit costs and also match that $500,000 opportunity cost, the firm is earning normal profit. When a firm earns economic profit, total revenue is greater than total economic cost. That means the firm is earning more than normal profit. If a firm makes an economic loss in the long run, it means total revenue is less than total economic cost, or the price is below average total cost. In that case, the owner will eventually exit and switch to the next best alternative. I hope you enjoy this video. See you later.